amis, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make Haitian cake. And what are we going to need to make Haitian cake? First of all, we're going to need some flour. Ça nous relève farine en créole. We're going to need that. Okay? You can do it with any flour as long as not the elevated one. You can do it with any flour. That's what I have, so I'm gonna make the cake with it. That's flour. And we're going to need some sugar, any sugar, but brown sugar. You're not gonna need brown sugar. You have to use white sugar. It could be any sugar, okay? And we're going to need some butter, margarine butter. We're going to need that. And we're going to need some eggs. It could be white or brown. That's what I have, so I'm going to use it. And we're going to need baking soda to make it elevated. And we're going to need some ground cinnamon. We're going to need some imitation almond flavor. Ça nous relève essence en Haïti. Okay? Ground cinnamon, c'est cannelle. Ça nous relève cannelle en créole. Et puis, j'ai deux qualités essence. This is black vanilla, so I'm going to use both of them. I'm gonna put a little bit on each. And what we're gonna need some lemon zest to put on it, lime zest to put on it. And then for the decoration, I'm not going to have time to do it on my own right now, but I'm going to use what we call icy frosting here. So that's what I'm gonna use. If I was not gonna use it, I would make it on my own with what we call sictitato in Haiti. Domino sugar, I think that's the way they call it here. I'm not sure. So, but I'm not gonna do it on my own. I'm going to use this. And I want to make a filling with sugar-free strawberry. Okay? I'm gonna make a filling with it. And then I'm gonna get started, get everything ready, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it. What we're gonna do first, we're going to measure our flour. I'm gonna double the recipe. It's going to be a little bit more than what I wanted to do. Okay. I suppose like that margarine butter. And in Haitian way, we could say quatre bâtons de beurre ou bien 2 carrés. So, l'aile comme ça, ils sont carrés. L'aile comme ça, ils sont 2 carrés. Les nous mettons tous les 4 ça ensemble, ils ba 4 bâtons. So, avec 4 bâtons de beurre, nous prenons besoin 4 tasses farine, 2 tasses sucre. But moi gagne plus borde que ça. Moi gagne plus, so n'a double portion non. N'a pas le faire avec 8 tasses farine, avec 4 sucre et n'a montrer comment nous mesurer et comment nous faire. Si c'est avec 4 bâtons de beurre nous t'a fait li, we would need 6 eggs. But since we double it, we're gonna need 12 eggs. So stay with us. I'm gonna get started and you're gonna see how you prepare Haitian cake. If you want to see the recipe, Stay connected and we will be back. Okay guys, we're going to measure the flour. Like I said, we're gonna need 8 cups of that. Make sure you don't put it too much, because if you put too much, you're not gonna get the recipe the way you want it. You see, the cup is right here. You see, so we're gonna need 8 cups of that. Okay guys, I'm gonna teach you how to measure the sugar also. Like I said, we're going to double the recipe, so I'm going to need 4 cups of sugar. So if I was doing it with the right proportion, I was gonna only need 2 cups. So I double it, because when I'm doing it, everybody wants to eat. So I'm doubling it so everybody can get a piece to eat. Okay, so we're doing our cake just like Haitian cake. We don't buy the flour that already have everything. Like butter, you just put eggs and water and oil. So we don't do it like that. So I'm just doing it just the way I learned to do it. Okay, this is 2. Okay guys, as you can see, I washed my hands before and I washed it again. So this is the flour. I already measured it. This is 8 cups, and this is the sugar. This is 4 cups. And now I'm going to do the eggs. And what I forgot to show you, the carnation milk. That's what we're going to use as a liquid for the cake. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to pop off the eggs. I need to put the white and the yellow, the yolk. I have to put it in something separate. So this is the white. You see how it come out? You take all the white. Make sure you don't put any yellow on it, because you're going to need it to put in the cake. And the yellow, you put it separate. Okay, like I said, we're going to need 12 of them. You take the white. I don't know, as you see how it coming up. We're taking it out. You see, there is thing that you can use to separate it, but I don't have it, so I have to do it manually. Okay, and you put the yellow one here, and like I said, make sure there is no calze qui tombe là-dedans avec yellow one. Okay, here we go. You see, it's coming out. You have to make sure that the yellow one is not coming up. Okay guys, this is the milk. I'm going to open it. We're gonna need 2 cups of milk, but you have to mix it with water. You have to mix it with water. What I'm going to do, if they can give me 2 cups, I probably not mix it, but I have to. I'm gonna see where it's gonna bring me. Okay, this is 1 cup. This is 1 cup, and we're going to pour it somewhere. Okay, and let's see where that's gonna bring me. Okay, they gave me 1 cup and 4 ounces. So I'm gonna make it 2 cups with water. Okay. All right. So we have our milk. We're just trying to get everything ready before we start the recipe. Okay. All right. Now we have the eggs, the white eggs. We have our milk ready. We have our flour. We have our sugar. We have our eggs, everything ready. So what we're going to do, we have to I don't know how to say that. We have to drain the flour, or we have not tamise farine. Nous pas tamise farine. Nous supposé tamise farine 3 times. When you lo tamise farine, c'est pour gâteau capable faire. But moi-même, when I was learning, they taught me how to do it 3 times. But when I'm doing it on my own, the more you do it, the better it is, because it make the cake more la fait gâteau à plus fin, okay? Make it more powder. So I'm gonna do it more than 3 times, and then the sugar also we have to tamise sugar too, okay? So nous pas tamise li pour nous capable moi pour tamise farine pour nous capable ouais, okay? J'aime dire nous, the more you do it, the better it is, or the fluffier the cake will be. So I'm gonna do it as many times as I can, so the cake can be very fluffy. Okay, you see, on passe farine nous, en français nous relè ça tamise. Nous allons tamiser farine non? Et puis pour nous capables à commencer bagay là, cake là. Okay, this is the first time. Like I said, we're going to do it more. Okay, you see there is some little thing on it, so you have to tamise farine. Okay guys, I am done sifting the flour. Now I'm going to sifting the sugar. Okay, you have to do it at least, you can do that 3-4 times. I did the flour many times, but you can do that like 3 or 4 times will be okay. Okay, like I said, the more you do it, the better it will be, so the cake will be so fluffy. Okay, this is the first time. You see how big this is? So it's gonna make the cake very heavy. So you have to take this away, okay? Okay, this is the first time we do it, and I'm gonna do it the second time. Okay guys, this is the baking soda. I have to sifting it too. I'm gonna need some of it. So I'm going to sift a little bit on it. You see? Okay, this is it. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're gonna get the butter ready so we can start the cake. Okay, like I said, my hands are washed, and I have a hairnet in my head, so don't see my hair like that to think that I'm just doing the video like that. I have a little hairnet on my head because we don't want hair to be in our recipe. Okay, this is the border. We're going to put them in the bowl so we can start the cake. Okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some spices on the egg yolks so we can get ready for the border. This is ground powder. I'm gonna put 2 of it. Okay, and this is nutmeg. I'm gonna put 1, and we're going to put some lemon zest on it. We're putting 2 of it, and then we're going to put our vanilla. I'm gonna put 2 of that to make it very flavorish, and I'm taking 1 of this. And when you're doing it, you can taste to see if the way you want it, if it's like that. And what we're using in Haiti, when we're doing it, we use babancourt. We have to put some babancourt on it, on the eggs, just for the pour que nous pas sentir cru. So moi pas gagner babancourt, I'm going to put a little bit vodka on it. I'm gonna put 2 little spoon. It's like 5 ml, so I put 10 ml on it. Okay, and then we're going to start putting our elevation on the flour, because you have to have everything ready so you won't forget anything. Okay, you see that the eggs, so we're going to beat it up. This is the put elevation. I'm gonna put like 4 of that. That's 4, and we're going to mix it together. And don't forget, when after you put the flour on the border, always leave a little bit of the flour so you can put in your pans to protect your cake not to burn. Okay, so this is all set, and now what we're going to do, I'm going to start creamy the border. Okay, we're going to use a mixer to creamy it. All right, here we go. White. Okay? Alright. You see our creamy it is? And what we're going to do now, we're going to start putting our sugar little by little. So we can start the cake little by little. I have this in my hand just to clean up. You see, I know the bowl is very deep. You might not be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm just cleaning the cuvette. All right, we're going to start putting our sugar little by little. All right. Little by little. You don't just pour it on the border. You put it little by little. Okay? Okay? This is the sugar and the butter. I'm mixing it a little bit more. And then we're going to put the yolk eggs that we put the dry ingredient on it. Okay, as you can see, it looks so nice. Okay guys, this is the yolk eggs. I'm gonna beat it a little bit. Mix everything together. Smells so good. And what we're going to do, I'm going to pour it in the border. We're pouring it in the border. Okay. And once you put your eggs on it, you have to be careful not to keep turning it many sides, because if you keep doing that, the cake will be spoiled in your hand. You have to keep turning it in one side, okay? Just one side until you're done, okay? You have to keep turning it in just one side. Okay guys, now it's time for us to put the flour. We're going to do it just the way we do the sugar. We're putting it little by little until we're done with it. You have to be careful not to make it a dough in your hand, because it will be very messy if you don't get proportion with it. Okay? If you put it on a pressure, you can make it left. Okay mes amis, this is the blanc de ça. Pour là nous allons préparer pour nous capable mettre dans gâteau. Nous allons we are going to beat it up. This is the way it is. I'm going to beat it up until nothing bati supposé chavirer le bol là, et puis quand il n'y a pas de doigt tomber là-dedans. Malgré que je mette le bol trop petit, ça supposé un plus gros bol, mais ça was it, I'm not gonna pour it again. So when we finish with it, I will show you how it's coming out. Nous blanc comme toujours battre, tout en pas firm. Nous pas qu'à mettre dans cette là. It's supposed to be firm. Okay, you have to be very firm before I put it on the mélange. Okay. So then firm, n'a bien montré comment il est dans le bol là et les n'a mettre dans le mélange. Okay guys, déjà nous pas vider la farine. La vider la farine pour nous capable de faire cake là. OK? Nous voyons comment le faire. Many. Vider li. But once you do that, you're not supposed to mix it with the mixer. We do it with this. In Haiti, when we're doing that part, we use wood spoon. But I'm using this spatula to do that. It's the way you're supposed to do it. Pour faire incorporer l'air. La dani. So this is it. And your cake not supposed to be so watery. When you see there's some people they do it watery, it doesn't matter, but mine it's supposed to be just the consistent you see. It's not supposed to be watery. Okay. This is the cake, and it's almost done. Take a lot of time. This is there's a lot of work to do. Take time, but we're almost over. Okay, this is it. It tastes so good and smells so good. I wish you can taste it. So all we need to do now is to put it on the oven. Okay, it tastes so good. Real Haitian cake. So I'm going to put it in the pan. I'm going to preheat my oven, and then I'm gonna put it in so we can I'll show you when I put it in the pan. Okay, all right, we'll be back. Stay focused, stay with me until the recipe is over, so you can see how it is or how it come out. Okay, I'm gonna preheat my oven, and then I'm coming back to put it in the pan so you can see. Okay. Ok mes amis, nous fin graisser pan yo. Nous pral mettre mélange dans la donne. Remember I told you to leave a little bit flour to put in the pan. Look what we're going to do with it. See? Just with the border, just to cake la pas stick. Non, okay, ici, et puis nous allons mettre, nous allons traverser mélange là dans plateau. Nous relais au plateau, ici relais au pan. So, on va traverser mélange là dans l'eau. Okay guys, mes cake là, nous allons mettre dans le four, dans l'oven nous, et puis là au fini, nous allons montrer comment cake là fini, ok? Alright, restez branchés avec nous. Si vous avez besoin de comment cake la sortie, restez branchés avec nous. Be patient et nous retourner pour nous capables de montrer comment vous fait gâteau haïtien dans bon langue maman nous et papa nous. Nous retourner encore pour après nous finir. OK? OK guys, nous retourner encore pour nous capables de montrer comment cake là est. Nous pourrons en bas dans oven là, nous pourrons checker cake là pour nous garder si cake là bon. Comment nous pourrons regarder? Nous pourrons aller utiliser un couteau, table knife to dip on it. If the knife come out clean, that means the cake is good. If it come out dirty, that means the cake need more time to be cooked. So we're gonna try it to see how it is. Okay? Come with us so we can check the cake. Let me take that off. Okay? I hope you see it. I hope you see it. There's one of them. And I dip it in there and it come out very clean. That means the cake is ready. And this is one of them. See how it come out very brown. It's not burned or anything. And we try the other one also. You see it? Come out very clean. That means it's all set. Okay. This is another one. And we try it again. It's clean. That means it's ready. So we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna nous parle vidéo pour nous capable faire décoration. Et puis les nous fin fait les nous fait décoration, n'a montrer comment ça est. Restez branchés avec nous, OK? Welcome back again mes amis. Jeudi à nous pour montrer comment gâteau a été sorti. Moi j'ai une surprise pour vous. Fermez mes yeux. On va vous montrer une surprise là. Are you ready? Ta-da! This is the cake. This is the Haitian cake. This is the way coming out. I showed you when I took it out inside the oven. So I needed it to be cool before I do the decoration. So now I'm going to show you how to decorate the cake. Haitian cake. Isn't it pretty, guys? Looks so nice, right? Okay, so I'm gonna start to do the decoration. Stay tuned with me. Okay, hello guys, I'm trying to show you the cake. I just make the decoration. I'm not too good at of decoration. I'm not a fan of it, but I do what I can do. This is the cake. This is the way it come off. And what I was trying to say on the top, I was trying to say thank you for my 61 subscribers. But like I said, I'm not too good at decoration, so I do what I can do. I wasn't learned to do decoration. So this is it. That's the way it come out. And I hope you like it. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you guys commented. And I hope you guys like it. So this is the cake. This is the end of it. And there's nothing else I could do for the decoration. So take it just the way I give it to you, okay? Alright guys, thank you. Okay. I'm gonna cut it to take a little piece. And I don't need too much, just a little piece so you can see it. Okay? There you go. Okay, you see it? That's the filling inside. And this is the cake. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment under it.